Now we are going to complete exercises of chapter number 5, The Pied Piper of Hamelin, and this chapter is also from your LR book. So comprehension A. Choose the correct option. First, the Pied Piper comes to Hamelin and tells the mayor that he will get rid of the rats for 1,000 guilders with the help of his flute and magic. And correct option is B. Then second, the Pied Piper leads the rat down to the river Weser, where they all drown. The people of Hamelin are delighted and are busy celebrating. They don't pay the Pied Piper for his work, leaving him in a revengeful mood. Correct option is B. Then third, just like the rats, the Pied Piper lures the children of the town to the top of the Koppelberg hill, where they miraculously disappear into a portal. Correct option C. Then fourth, the moral of the story is that we should keep our promises, unlike the mayor, the council, and townsfolk of Hamelin who did not. Correct option is C. Then B, answer the questions briefly. First question, what problem was the city of Hamelin facing? The city of Hamelin was infested by rats that attacked other creatures, bit babies, and ruined the grain and food. Second question, who was the stranger who visited Hamelin and how was he dressed? Answer, the stranger was Pied Piper who visited Hamelin. He was dressed in a queer matlab odd, vichitra, checkered long coat of yellow and red. Then third question, how did he solve the problem the city was facing? Answer, the Pied Piper blew his pipe and at shrill notes matlab unpleasant sound, came out of his pipe. The rats came out from everywhere and followed the piper, who led them to the Weser river where they all plung matlab kudna, or plung to their death. In this manner, he solved the problem that the city was facing. Fourth question, what happened to the children of the townspeople and why? Answer, the Pied Piper played his flute to lure matlab attract, the children of the town, who followed him merrily dancing. When he reached to the Koppelberg hill, a portal opened and all the children followed the Pied Piper into it, never to be seen again. This happened because the townspeople refused to pay the Pied Piper as promised and he took revenge on them. Then C. Think and answer the questions. First, the mayor was dumb and the council stood as if they were changed into blocks of wood. Question, why do you think the poet makes a mockery matlab हंसी उड़ाना of the mayor and the council? Answer, the poet makes a mockery of the mayor and the council because they did not keep their promise to the Pied Piper. Now, all they could do was stand still, unable to move and watch as their children were lured by the piper. Second question, what made the lame boy sad? How would you feel if you were in his place? Answer, the lame boy was sad because he could not follow the Pied Piper and the other children into the portal and was left without any playmate. I would also feel bad. Then last question, do you keep the promises you make? How do you feel when someone breaks a promise made to you? Answer, I always keep my promises. If someone breaks their promise to me, I feel hurt. However, I try to understand or even ask them the reason for breaking promise because they can be in a situations when a person may be in a difficult situation and cannot fulfill their promise to others.